Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life video presentation.
Glutathione is often called the body's master antioxidant because it plays a central role in cellular protection, detoxification, and immune resilience. Made from 3 amino acids glutamine, cysteine, and glycine, it helps neutralize free radicals, supports mitochondrial energy production, and maintains the health of every major organ system. Chemically, glutathione is a tripeptide with the formula C10H17N3O6s. Its unique structure includes a sulfur-containing cysteine molecule, which gives glutathione its powerful antioxidant properties. This sulfur group allows glutathione to donate electrons, recycle other antioxidants like vitamin C and E, and bind to toxins for safe removal. Its biochemical versatility is what makes glutathione indispensable for detoxification, immune function, and cellular repair. Inside your cells, glutathione participates in essential enzymatic reactions that maintain redox balance, support mitochondrial efficiency, and regulate inflammation. It helps detoxify harmful compounds, protects DNA from oxidative damage, and ensures proper protein folding. These processes contribute to stable energy levels, healthy metabolism, and long-term cellular resilience. Glutathione plays a critical role in protecting the brain and nervous system. It helps maintain the integrity of neurons by reducing oxidative stress and supporting mitochondrial function. Adequate glutathione levels are associated with sharper cognitive performance, improved focus, and healthier aging. When glutathione becomes depleted, the brain becomes more vulnerable to inflammation, fatigue, and oxidative damage. Research shows that low glutathione levels are linked to increased oxidative stress, weakened immunity, and accelerated cellular aging. Studies highlight that restoring glutathione through diet, lifestyle, or supplementation can improve detoxification, enhance immune response, and support healthier inflammatory balance. Higher glutathione levels are also associated with better metabolic function and improved recovery from stress. Peer-reviewed studies connect optimal glutathione levels with improved cardiovascular health, enhanced mitochondrial performance, and better neurological resilience. Scientists continue exploring glutathione's role in longevity, metabolic regulation, and cellular repair. Its ability to regenerate other antioxidants makes it a cornerstone of long-term wellness and healthy aging. You can support glutathione production through foods rich in sulfur and antioxidants, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, garlic, onions, spinach, avocados, and asparagus. Nutrient-dense options like these help your body synthesize glutathione naturally, supporting detoxification, immune strength, and cellular protection. For individuals who may not produce enough glutathione due to stress, aging, or environmental exposure, supplements are widely available. Liposomal glutathione, N-acetylcysteine NAC, and glycine can help boost levels effectively. These options support detoxification, immune balance, and overall metabolic health. Your body thrives when glutathione levels are strong. This master antioxidant supports energy, mental clarity, immune resilience, and long-term cellular health. Maintaining healthy glutathione levels can help you feel more vibrant, focused, and physically balanced throughout the day. Adequate glutathione levels are essential for protecting cells from oxidative stress, maintaining metabolic balance, and supporting long-term vitality. Make glutathione a priority in your wellness routine. Your cells, your energy, and your long-term vitality will benefit from stronger antioxidant protection. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the series to build a more energized, resilient, and balanced you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website integrativenutritionforlife.com and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, knowledgeable, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.